Right, some fractions in this question, I'm going to use a ratio representation of these parts here. Okay, so Ken spend, first sentence, Ken spend 1/4 of his money. Okay, after spending this 1/4, there will be, the other part will be a 3/4. Okay, out of the whole. You just take note of the 3/4 first. So I'm going to write a ratio 1:3 first. Okay. No, but the amount of money spent on the CDs is not just 1/4. Okay, he says here an additional $6. Okay, so if I'm going to use 1/4 of his money and an additional 6, that will no longer be 1/4. All right, that will be slightly more than 1/4. Okay, depending on how much is $6. Okay, so a quarter, okay, and an additional 6 is spent on the CDs. Okay, so I'll group the $6 under the 3/4. So I see 3 units here. Okay, so this would be, there will be 2 parts under this 3/4 here, so $6, right? Okay, or you can simply assume that, let's pretend as if that the number of CDs is exactly just 1/4. Okay, but without this additional $6. Okay, and this will be together will be CDs. Okay, this is the actual, so with the CDs, $6. Okay, he then spent 3/4 of the remaining money, so the remaining must be from here. Okay, because after spending on the CDs, the remaining must be the rest here. Okay, so the remaining parts, okay, is actually grouped into 5 units also, because of this 3/5. Alright, so 3/5 of the remaining money and an additional $12 on magazine. Okay, so the same concept over here. If I'm going to use 3/5, there will be another 2/5 left behind. Okay, so I'm going to divide these parts into 3 and 2. Okay, similarly, because of this additional $12, it can be very confusing. So magazines is actually more than 3/5 of the remaining money. It's not just 3/5. Okay, so let's just put the $12, okay, onto the remaining side, which is the 2/5 of the remaining. So $12, I'll just put it under here. Okay, but keeping in mind, okay, just like the first part, keeping in mind that the actual amount spent on magazines is in this 3/5. Okay, 3 out of 5 of the remaining. Okay, you can put a total 5 here. Okay, so 3/5 of the remaining and additional 12. So I'm going to group this one with this one. Right, that would be the magazines. Okay, and given that he was left with $18. So simply the last branch here, okay, it will be the $18. Okay, so question asks what fraction of the money was spent on the magazines. Okay, this part. Okay, so let's write units over here so that we can denote these 2 units will be equals to $30. Okay, so I'm going to use units first. Later I'm going to use parts. Okay, so units first. Right, so 2 units is these 2 parts here. Sorry, just two portions here. $12 plus $18, that gives me $30. Okay, I'm going to straight away find the 3 units first, then the 5 units here. So 3 units, divide by the $30, divide by the 2 units first. Okay, then multiply by 3, $45. Okay, you can put the $45 here and the $30 here. So the 5 units will be the addition or the sum of these two parts. Okay, so a total of $75 for the remaining R that you see over here. Okay, so $75 and $6 comes from this tree. Okay, so I'll call this parts first. So 3P, as what you see from my diagram, 3 parts will be $75 plus $6. Okay, there's an additional $6 here. Okay, so I'm going to add them together. That will give me $81. Okay, so this will be the one part because 1:3. Okay, I'm going to save time, just straight away find 4 parts. And that will be the total amount of money that Ken had at first. So 4 parts, just going to divide by 3 first, because $81 is 3 parts, times 4. That gives me $108. Alright. So observe carefully, we can go and calculate the amount spent on the magazines. Okay, because question asks fraction of money spent on magazines. So the magazines part, $45 and this $12. Okay, it's clearly these two groups here, $45 plus and additional $12. That gives us $57. And then the fraction will be 57 out of the total $108. So this is the total. Okay. Then to reduce in simplest form, this will give us 19 out of 36. That would be the answer.